Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing to you the unboxing of Young Living's Ningxia Red. But I have to confess, because I already opened it and started drinking it 3 days ago. For me, it's a personal decision to take Ningxia Red as a pregnant lady on her last month of pregnancy, because I want my body to be at its optimum health or optimum level before I go into labor and deliver baby Mateo's Yel. So please subscribe and journey with me in trying out Young Living's Ningxia Red. Can you tell everyone to subscribe to Mommy's channel?
Everyone to subscribe from Mommy's channel 100,000.
If you have seen my first video about Young Living, it's the unboxing of Singapore's limited edition PSK. And in that PSK, I received 2 packets of Ningxia Red, and I only tried Ningxia Red after 5 months of receiving my PSK. And I regretted not tasting Ningxia Red earlier than 5 months or as soon as I received my PSK. Well, basically the reason I didn't take Ningxia Red immediately is because I was pregnant and I was being careful of the foods that I eat. And now, because I'm on my 36th week and it's on my last month before I pop and before my baby pops out, I decided to try Ningxia Red. Why? Because I will be doing placenta encapsulation later on after I give birth. And I wanted my placenta or my cells, basically all of the cells in my body, to be rejuvenated. And I heard that Ningxia Red really keeps your cells and your blood healthy. Okay? I will post on a separate video about my experience on placenta encapsulation. But now let's start unboxing the Young Living Ningxia Red. My son wants to join the unboxing. Okay. Say hi.
Hi.
Hello everyone.
Hello, hello.
So after I ordered it online, Young Living's website, it came after 2 days of my order. It came in a double box. So this is the outer box, and then there's another box inside. This is the box of Ningxia Red. So the outer box holds the box of Ningxia Red and the oils that I ordered again. So here is, okay, my boy is excited to open the Ningxia Red box. Okay. Oops, careful.
It's not falling anymore.
Yeah.
Yes.
So the box came, the bottles are protected by this hard...
Wait a minute. This is another
yeah.
box.
Wait. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my. So it
Inside
looks,
here.
so it looks like this. How does it feel? Is it hard? A hard box? Yeah? So
Yes.
it's sturdy enough to protect the bottles inside. So it comes in 2 bottles. As you can see, I don't know if you can. As you can see, we already drank the first bottle.
It's
So
cold.
yeah, because Mommy took it out of the fridge to show everyone. Okay. So the bottles are frosted.
Well, but we can put ice in here.
Yeah. The unopened bottle of Ningxia Red has a quality seal like this. If you compare with the opened one. And then you remove it. And the cup is a twist type. And the bottle, the frosted bottle, is thick. Actually, it's very thick. So this is a wine bottle. See, it's not as thick as this one. And if you can, and if you look closely, it's actually a puree. It's not a juice. It's not a regular juice. It's a puree. You need to shake it well before you drink it. The recommended dosage for Ningxia Red is 1 to 2 ounces for an adult. It's up to you how you slowly incorporate Ningxia Red to your diet. But for me, I just started taking it as a pure Ningxia Red drink. And I consumed all the 2-ounce packet the first time I did it at night. Then the following morning, I had detoxification in my body. I pooped a lot because now in my pregnancy, I'm having constipation problems. So it really helped me move my bowel regularly. The first time I tasted Ningxia Red, it reminded me of wine. So it's strong and fruity and without the alcohol. So Ningxia Red, for me, tastes like wine, the red wine, without the alcohol in it. So what is Ningxia Red? It's a delicious superfruit beverage that combines whole Ningxia wolfberry puree. So the wolfberry actually looks like this. It looks like a goji berry. I don't know if you can see. See? What color is it?
Red.
Is it a berry? Yeah?
Yes.
Yes.
It actually look like a berry.
Yeah, like it's a goji berry.
Yes, it's a goji berry, I guess.
Yeah. And it's a blend of blueberry, aronia, cherry, pomegranate, tart cherry, plum juices, natural stevia extract, grapeseed extract, pure vanilla extract, orange, yuzu, lemon, and tangerine essential oils. So this drink also contains essential oils in it. It's a powerhouse nutrition infusion that everyone can enjoy. So it's made with exotic fruit extracts and the whole fruit of Young Living's exclusive Ningxia wolfberries. It's exclusive because I heard that Young Living owns the Ningxia farm or the Ningxia wolfberry goji berry organic farm where they get the supply of Ningxia Red. I researched a little bit about Ningxia. It's a province. It's actually a province high in the mountains of China. So, yeah. So what Young Living does is they farm it on their own without pesticides, without any artificial ways to grow the berry or the wolfberry. So Ningxia Red can help prevent against oxidative stress, supports eye health, and provides energy throughout the day. I swear on the energy part. Because for me, I'm already on my last leg of pregnancy, right? I was always exhausted, but when I started drinking Ningxia Red, it gives me a boost of energy. So I take it now in the morning because last time I took it at night to detox and to help me move my bowel. I find it hard to sleep because I have this energy. So I decided to take it during the daytime. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. So I heard a little bit about of the history how Dr. Gary Young discovered Ningxia or Ningxia Red. When he was traveling in the province of Ningxia, Dr. Gary Young noticed that the people there, the Chinese people, Dr. Gary noticed that the people there have long life and they are very healthy, happy, and the overall wellness in that place is very high. So he wanted to take this to the world by introducing us Ningxia Red. Let me just share to you some of the frequently asked questions about Ningxia Red. So first is, what is the shelf life of Ningxia Red? Once opened, you need to refrigerate it and consume it within 30 days. But if unopened, it can last until 24 months. now I think it's settled down. You can see the puree. I don't know if you can view it from the camera. Nakita siya my belly. Okay. So is Ningxia Red both vegan and vegetarian? The answer is yes. It's also kosher and halal certified. Great, right? Another question here is it okay to add my own blend of essential oils to Ningxia Red? Absolutely yes. So it's encouraged to customize your daily serving of Ningxia Red by experimenting with your favorite vitality oils. So later on, I will try to experiment on consuming Ningxia Red with other oils. But now I'm focusing on being healthy and being rejuvenated from inside and out, meaning from my cells, from my blood streams. I need to be healthy and prepare for my labor or my upcoming delivery of baby number 2. Thank you for watching until the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. 100,000.
100,000 of subscribers.